Yo, welcome to another how-to video. For this week's episode, we're going to be talking about how to connect the Joy-Cons or the Nintendo Switch Pro controller to your PC via Bluetooth. If you happen to miss last week's video, it was very similar, except we were doing the same thing with the DualShock 4. This happened to be a tutorial outside of Steam. So if you want to use your controllers outside of Steam, I would follow the PS4 method. Right now, we're just worried about connecting these via Bluetooth. So as far as the Joy-Cons go, if you have issues with your left Joy-Con connecting to your Switch, you're also going to have issues with the left Joy-Con connecting to your PC. So to get started, obviously what you're going to want to do is go to your Bluetooth settings on your computer and make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. After you have your Bluetooth on the side of your Nintendo Switch Joy-Con, whether you're using the right one or the left one, between the SL buttons and the SR buttons, there's a tiny little syncing button. If you hit that, all the lights will start flashing. That'll actually put the Joy-Con into pairing mode. After you do that, same thing as last week, if you click add Bluetooth or other device, you should see the Joy-Con pop up in there. They don't have as long as a syncing period as a PS4 controller did, so make sure it's still flashing on the side when you go to connect them. And I actually don't happen to own a Nintendo Switch Pro controller. However, if you look at the front of the controller here, I have an image of it pulled up. There is the same pairing button as before. Same thing with the Joy-Con. If you hold that in, it'll turn it into pairing mode, and then you should see it pop up on your screen. That should be everything you need to know in order to connect your Joy-Con and Nintendo Switch Pro controller to your PC. If you have any issues, just leave a comment below or message me, or actually if you want like a direct response, you can just catch me on Twitch on Friday and Saturday night, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you have any other suggestions for how-to videos, make sure you leave those in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.